Hi everyone, this is Elaine from HomePlus Malaysia. So today I want to introduce you our D4H face recognition smart lock. This is a fully automated smart lock that consists 7 ways to unlock the door. It uses lithium battery that is rechargeable, and 2 hours will be fully charged that can last up to 6 months. The first method is using face recognition. The second method is using fingerprint. The third method is using password.
Wow!
The fourth method is using IC card. The fifth method is using keys. The sixth method is using micro USB charging port. The seventh method is using apps.